Have you ever stared at a blank page, just waiting for inspiration to strike? What if I told you there's a tool that can help you beat writer's block, generate ideas, and even polish your writing, all in a matter of seconds? Welcome to the world of AI writing assistants. If you're new to this, don't worry. This is your ultimate beginner's guide, and by the end of this video, you'll be using AI like a pro. So, what exactly is an AI writer? Think of it as a super smart creative partner. You give it a prompt, a question, a topic, or just a few keywords, and it generates text for you. It's not here to replace your creativity, but to enhance it. It's like having a brainstorming buddy available 24/7. Whether you're a student working on an essay, a marketer writing ad copy, or a blogger trying to create content, AI can be a game changer. Let's start with the basics. Choosing the right tool. There are many options out there, from simple free tools to more advanced paid platforms. For beginners, I recommend starting with a user-friendly tool that has a free trial. This way, you can experiment without any commitment. Look for features like different content templates. For example, blog post intros, email subject lines, or social media captions. These templates make it incredibly easy to get started. Now for the most important part, writing a great prompt. The quality of your output depends entirely on the quality of your input. This is what we call prompt engineering. Be specific. Instead of just write about dogs, try something like, write a fun and informative blog post intro about the top 3 easiest dog breeds for first-time owners to train. See the difference? Adding details like the tone, the target audience, and the desired format will give you much better results. Let's walk through a practical example together. Imagine I need to write a social media post for a new coffee shop. My prompt could be, write a short, exciting Instagram caption for a new coffee shop called The Daily Grind. Mention our specialty artisanal coffee and cozy atmosphere. Use a friendly and welcoming tone. The AI might generate something like, your new favorite corner of the world is here. Welcome to the Daily Grind, where every cup is a masterpiece. Come get cozy, sip on our artisanal coffee, and make yourself at home. From there, I can tweak it, add my own personal touch, and it's ready to go. It saved me time and gave me a fantastic starting point. But AI isn't just for generating new content. It's also an incredible tool for editing and refining your existing work. You can paste your text into the AI and ask it to check for grammar and spelling mistakes, improve sentence structure, or even rephrase entire paragraphs to sound more professional or engaging. You can say, rewrite this to be more persuasive, or simplify this text for a 5th grade reading level. It's like having a personal editor on call. A word of caution, though. Always fact-check the information the AI gives you, especially when it comes to data, statistics, or historical events. AI models are trained on vast amounts of internet data, and sometimes they can make mistakes or present outdated information. Always use your own judgment and expertise. The goal is to use AI as a collaborator, not a replacement for your own critical thinking. Think of it as a powerful first draft generator. So, to recap for all the beginners out there. First, choose a user-friendly AI tool and explore its templates. Second, master the art of writing specific and detailed prompts. Third, use AI not just for creation, but also for editing and improving your writing. And finally, always review, fact-check, and add your unique human touch to the final product. Your voice is what makes your writing special, and AI is here to help you amplify it. I hope this guide has demystified AI writing for you. The best way to learn is by doing, so go ahead and give it a try. You might be surprised at how much it can streamline your workflow and boost your creativity. Have you ever tried using an AI to help you write something, only to find it sounds, well, like a robot wrote it? It's clean, it's correct, but it has zero personality. It doesn't sound like you at all. You end up spending so much time editing and tweaking that you wonder if it was even worth it. What if I told you there is a way to train an AI to capture your unique voice, your style, your quirks, and do it consistently? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to make any AI your personal writing clone. First things first, you need to give the AI something to learn from. This is the most crucial step. You can't just tell it, write like me. You need to show it what like me means. So, gather up a collection of your best writing. We're talking emails, articles, reports, social media posts, even personal journal entries if you're comfortable with that. The key is variety and volume. The more examples you provide, the more data the AI has to analyze your sentence structure, your vocabulary, and your tone. Aim for at least a few thousand words. Put it all into one document. This is your personal style guide. Now, let's craft the perfect prompt. This is where the magic happens. Start by telling the AI its role. For example, you could say, "You are a writing assistant whose goal is to perfectly mimic my writing style." Then, you need to provide the context. Paste in the text you gathered. You can do this by saying, "Analyze the following text to learn my writing style." And then paste your examples right into the prompt. If your text is too long for the AI's context window, you can upload it as a file or break it into smaller chunks. Most modern AIs like GPT-4 or Claude can handle large amounts of text, but don't stop there. Go a step further and explicitly describe your style. After providing the text, add a few bullet points describing your own writing. Are you conversational? Formal? Do you use a lot of humor? Are your sentences short and punchy or long and detailed? For example, you could add, "My style is conversational and friendly, uses simple language, often asks questions to engage the reader, and maintains a positive and encouraging tone." By both showing and telling, you're giving the AI a crystal clear picture of what you want. Now, it's time to test and refine. Give the AI a task. Say something like, "Now, using my writing style, write a 200-word email to a client about a project delay." When you get the output, read it carefully. Does it sound like you? If not, identify what's off. Maybe the tone is too formal, or it used words you would never use. This is where you give feedback. Don't just regenerate the response. Tell the AI what to change. For instance, "That's a good start, but it's too formal." Make it more conversational, like I'm talking to a friend, and add a brief, sincere apology. This iterative process of generating, reviewing, and giving specific feedback is how you fine-tune the AI's understanding. Each correction makes it smarter and more aligned with your voice. Once you've got a prompt that works really well, save it. Most AI platforms have a feature for custom instructions or saved prompts. Create a master prompt that includes the role-playing instruction, your style description, and your example text. This way, you don't have to copy and paste everything every single time. You can just start your session with your custom instruction, and the AI will always remember to write in your voice. It's like having a personalized writing assistant on standby 24/7. It takes a little setup, but the time you'll save in the long run is massive. So to recap, gather your writing, create a detailed prompt that both shows and tells the AI your style, test it with a task, and refine with specific feedback. It's a game changer for anyone who writes regularly. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Today, we're rediving into something that's a total game changer for anyone who writes. Whether you're a student, a professional, a blogger, or just trying to send a perfect email. We're talking about how to use AI to rewrite, improve, and polish your writing. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see AI not as a replacement for your creativity, but as your new best writing partner. So, what's the first step? It all starts with your draft. You don't need a perfect piece of writing to begin. Just get your initial thoughts down on the page. This is your raw material, the clay that AI will help you sculpt. Once you have that, you can start using AI tools to refine it. The most common way people start is by asking for a simple rewrite. You can copy and paste your text into an AI tool and ask it to rewrite this paragraph. But that's just scratching the surface. The real magic happens when you get specific. Let's say you've written a sentence that feels a bit bland, like, "The report was informative." You can ask the AI to make this sentence more professional, or make this sentence more engaging. You might get back something like, "The report provided a comprehensive and insightful analysis of the key findings," or "This report uncovers critical data that you won't want to miss." See the difference? Specific prompts give you much better results. Another powerful technique is to focus on tone. Maybe you've written an email that sounds a little too aggressive. You can prompt the AI with, "Rewrite this email to sound more friendly and collaborative." Or, if you're writing a college essay, you can ask it to rewrite this section in a more academic and formal tone. This is incredibly useful for adapting your writing for different audiences and contexts without having to start from scratch. It's like having a style guide expert on call, 24/7. Now, let's talk about improving your writing, which goes beyond just changing the words. One of my favorite things to do is to ask AI to act as a critic. You can use prompts like, "Identify any weak arguments in this text and suggest improvements," or "Point out any clunky sentences or awkward phrasing." The AI will then analyze your work and give you targeted feedback. It might highlight a sentence and explain why it's confusing, or suggest adding a stronger piece of evidence to support a claim. This is like getting a free developmental editor to review your work. You can also use AI to expand on your ideas. If you have a simple point but want to flesh it out, you can ask the AI to elaborate on this idea with examples, or expand this paragraph to provide more detail. This is a fantastic way to overcome writer's block, or to add depth and substance to your writing. The key is to see the AI's output not as the final version, but as a collection of new ideas and phrases that you can then integrate into your own voice. Finally, let's get to the polishing stage. This is where you turn a good piece of writing into a great one. AI is brilliant at this. You can ask it to proofread this text for grammar and spelling errors, and it will catch things you might have missed. But you can also go deeper. Try prompts like, "Improve the flow and transition between these paragraphs," or "Replace repetitive words with stronger synonyms." This helps you clean up the mechanics and also enhances the overall readability and impact of your writing. It smooths out the rough edges and makes your text shine. So to recap, start with a draft. Use specific prompts for rewriting and tone adjustment. Ask the AI to critique and help you improve your arguments. Use it to expand on your ideas. And finally, let it polish your text to perfection. The goal is not to have AI write for you, but to use it as a powerful tool to elevate your own skills and ideas. It helps you learn what strong writing looks like and how to achieve it. Give these techniques a try next time you're writing. I promise you'll be amazed at how much more efficient and effective your writing process becomes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to thrive in our fast-changing world. Let me know in the comments how you're using AI in your own writing process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to leverage technology to make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.